Coming in.
With the Untamed Science Adventure Team.
We work from a clubhouse in a tree.
Exploring our world and its mysteries. Lifelong learning, discovery. Untamed Science. Go adventuring.
Up. Incoming. And got it.
Hi, my name is Sammy. I was just wondering what adaptation means.
All right, everyone to stations. Danni, what do you have?
Well, an adaptation is a trait passed from parent to offspring that helps a living thing survive in its environment, like adaptations for getting food, protection, movement, or reproduction.
All of those are examples of structural adaptations having to do with parts of the body. But some adaptations are behavioral, inherited behaviors that help animals survive. Sometimes they're called instincts, like animals knowing how to care for their young, or knowing to migrate to a warmer climate for the winter, or even being born knowing how to eat. Living things with adaptations that help them survive in their environment are most likely to survive and may pass on those traits to their young. Hey, Haley's got something. Oh, where is she now?
Hey everybody, I'm in this cave looking for bats. Oh, let's go find them. Now, have you ever wondered how a bat can live in the dark like this? Well, I'll tell you, it's because they have some amazing nocturnal adaptations. The coolest adaptation I can think of for bats is called echolocation. This is where the bat emits sound vibrations that go out. Then they bounce off an object and it bounces back to their large furry ears that are facing forward. Then that signal gets transferred to their brain so they know how fast that mosquito is going and where it is and what direction and how big and what its texture is like and all sorts of things. Pretty cool. So that's how a bat knows where it is and how to get food in the dark. I wonder what I would do. Guess I'd have to feel my way around, or maybe I should, oh, I'll try this. Squeak! All right. Okay, my echolocator doesn't work. See you back at the clubhouse.
All right, thanks, Haley. Hazen, you ready? Okay, I'm on it. All right, so we've seen how bats use echolocation to track down their food and to find out where they're at. Well, now it's your turn. With a teacher or a parent supervising, test to see how well you can find things by just using your own sense of hearing. All right, Jonas, help me out with this blindfold. Right here. Put on a blindfold so you can't see anything. Have a friend hide as you call out, "Echo!" Then they have to freeze and respond with, "Location!" Make sure you're in a clear area where you can't bump into anything and see how well you do.
Location! Echo! Location!
I got you. All right.
Got me.
Hey, okay, cool. All right, so we've seen a lot of examples of animal adaptations, but what about plant adaptations? You know, I bet there's another way to explain this.
Animals adapt and so do plants. A great example is the Venus flytrap. Its leaves aren't just leaves that soak up the sun, but rather attract to catch bugs on the run. Insects provide the proteins they need that they can't always get from the soil at our feet. On their leaves they have small hairs we call triggers that when touched by a bug causes the leaves to snap shut. And then it works kind of like our stomachs to digest their food and take nutrients from it. And here's something cool, if it traps the wrong thing, it spits it back out and then tries again. The Venus flytrap is such a cool plant.
So, living organisms like plants and animals have adaptations which help them survive in their environment.
Like getting food, protection, movement, or reproduction.
Yeah, some of those are structural adaptations and some of those are behavioral adaptations.
But they're all traits passed from parent to offspring. So until next time, never stop exploring your world. Oh, hey.
What is that?
Look at that adaptation.
Yeah, and what about this one?
What?
That's cool.